THS Rajpur Staff Samala Dress Le.
Staff Samala Gate on the heavy staff chair and it's somewhat you might do you know.
Tibetan homeschool Rajpur Sinachua Kibati Danga Ring Modilla Gagan Leje and Asa Amla and looked at some subsidy some happy staff day.
Yeah, Cuba THS Rajpur look to decision on Gelasamal Chiglay happy staff day to all staff and members.
Rajpur Tibetan Na Dilugo Uma Jimbe Look to Jimbe Chani. Take it down, Latina Bosola. That's the issue, taking Nimola.
Taring Gay Legend Nimola and Samalo test today and Taring Yima the queuing with the oil and Tujina.
Samala test lake in Mola and drinking in Mola to you and then Tanaba the king after a country. I left the any summer. What did you mean?
I wish all the teachers a very happy staff day. The teachers has helped us throughout our life and help us when we are in tough times or in good times. They help us experience new things every time, and thank you.
As we all know, today is the only day where we can thank our teachers and staff. So I, Kunga Sakchung of class 9A, want to thank all the teachers for being my protector, for being my guide, for teaching me how to learn, how to read, how to write, for teaching me how to be a perfect student. So thank you once again and happy staff day.
I, Tanachini, behalf of class 9A, I'm gonna wish all the staff members of THS happy staff day, and I'll be grateful all my life that you teachers teach me, and once again thank you for teaching me happy staff day.
So on this great day, I would like to thank every staff member of THS Rajpur, and I would like to thank all the staff members for taking good care of me during my school life. And again, happy staff day, and I hope you will enjoy your day. Thank you.
Happy staff day to everyone. I am really thankful for every staff in THS Rajpur, as they have not only taught me education, they have also given me good manners. They have taught me how to be happy. They have taught me the value of giving others things.
Today is the most awaited day by all the students here, and I wish all the teachers and staff here a very happy staff day. I thank you all for the hard work and dedication you have shown all these years. You have not only gave us knowledge, but also morals and also for guiding.
Sama makan tu tim drink staff today. Ini drink staff tu kyu dah ya ini. Kita apa? Ini aku lalu.
Happy staff day, happy staff day to all the staff of THS Rajpur School, from THS Rajpur students. Hope you enjoy your staff day.
This is a message for all the students of SS13. We feel grateful for your service to THS. Thank you.
Samala kamsang, taring SS sure look to someone subshune, again number someone trustley.
Staff
Day Nimola, someone like you,